So in this Yahoo Finance tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to view the analysis of a stock here on Yahoo Finance. So once you're into the Yahoo Finance application, it's fairly straightforward. You can either select a stock, if you're choosing, or what I'll do for this demonstration is go to the top and press on search. And how about for demonstration purposes, I search up Walmart, ticker symbol WMT. So once you're onto the stock, if you're choosing, just scroll all the way down to the bottom until you come across this page right here. It says key statistics. As of right now, the summary page is selected, but if you wanted to view the analysis of a stock, press analysis right here. Make sure that it's highlighted right here, and then under analysis right here, it shows the recommendation trends, the upgrades and downgrades, the analysis, price targets, whatever the case may be. You can go ahead here and just press on WMT analysis or whatever stock it may be, and sort of view the trends this way. So fairly straightforward, but this is how to view the analysis of a stock here on Yahoo Finance. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.